Hi guys, nice meeting you on this channel, Bali Tourism Media, which is managed by Exotic Bali Destination, a reliable Bali DMC based in Bali. On this occasion, I would like to update what would be going on as a significant holy ceremony in Bali. Bali will be totally closed on 29th of March 2025, and this is the complete Bali update information. The Balinese will be celebrating the Balinese New Year called NYEPI Day or Silent Day for a day and a night on Saturday 29 March 2025 in all Bali Island. On that day, 29th of March, no activities allowed. No traveling out from the premises, no traveling to the beach and street, no movement of transportation, no working, no lighting, no smoking, no sound, and no cooking. Bali becomes silent one day, one night, no flight arrival and departure unless on emergency case only is allowed. One day before Silent Day, on Friday 28 March 2025, starting at 7 p.m., there will be a parade of Ogoh in the form of giants to be brought as a parade around the village and the public area in Bali. The Ogoh is made of bamboo skeleton in the form of evil spirit in many different characters wrapped in colorful papers. It is our Hindu belief and used to chase the evil spirit away from the house compound or village. On the following day, Sunday, 30th March 2025, all activities will do as normal. Additional information for you to know, especially for visitors and tour operators in the tourism industry. On 28 March, most restaurants outside of hotels will open till lunchtime only. Most tours activities will be done half day in the morning time only. Dinner cruise may not operate. Nusa Penida and Giri Trawangan tours may not operate as well. On 29th of March, on Silent Day, visitors, hotel guests can only have their meals in the hotel only from 7 a.m. till 6 p.m. On 30th March, most restaurants outside of hotels will resume on dinner time only. Most tours and tourist activities may not operate on 28th and 30th of March. Please reconfirm upon request made to your Bali tour operators. I believe this information is useful for your guidance. Kindly do subscribe, click the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.